Ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you saying it?
I don't know.
Y'all, I'm Kayla.
And I'm Megan, and welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to show you our 10-minute makeup look.
So we're just going to try to get really, like if we were in a rush in the morning, and it may take us less than 10 minutes, it may take us a little more, but
about 10 minutes.
Yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I do when I'm rushing to do my makeup in the morning is I don't want to look tired, like I still want to look put together. And so I'm going to color correct under my eyes just to get rid of the bags.
And I'm just going to do 1 pump of foundation. I'm going to use the Born This Way because it's a medium to full coverage, so it'll help you.
And I really like these new e.l.f. color correcting sticks. They're really creamy and easy to blend in.
So for your 10-minute, what are you going to focus on? Your eyes or your face or what?
I kind of just spread it around. Like I just do a little bit of everything, honestly.
Just make sure you look overall put together.
Yeah. I don't like trying to make sure I can do my eyeshadow and just like not much to my face. Like.
I would say I'm going to more so focus on my eyes just because I feel like that's the first thing that like people will look at when they look at you, so.
I just really try to make sure I look bright and awake. Because I feel like if you don't have makeup on, you kind of feel tired and just like blah, you know? Yeah, you look bright and awake.
But we don't want to look like we rushed.
Yeah. That's why I don't do too much so I can do a good makeup in 10 minutes, if that makes any sense. Alright, so I'm just going to go in with my Milani. And I'm just going to do 1 pump on the back of my hand. I normally do 3, so. And then I'm just going to distribute it evenly.
I'm gonna do concealer.
Alright, and now I'm just going to go with the littlest bit of concealer under my eyes.
And then I think that when you're trying to get ready in a hurry, obviously you don't really have time to bake underneath your eyes and everything. And I think that a loose powder is a lot harder to deal with. So I'm just going to use a Tarte pressed powder and put that all over my face.
Alright, so now to set that, what I do is I take my CoverGirl loose powder because, opposite of Kayla, I feel like you can get more out of a loose powder, like more powder on your face and stuff.
Well, Megan takes out the sifter.
Yeah.
So it's easier for her to do that.
Yeah, I don't like the sifters and loose powders. But what I am going to do is I am still going to press under my eyes, so because I do not want my eyes to crease.
And then I'm just going to take the Hoola bronzer and just bronze up my face the slightest bit. You definitely don't want this to be too harsh when, I'm not going to put blush on to kind of help it look more even. So I don't want it to look too harsh.
Now I'm not putting on as much powder as I normally would under my eyes. I'm really just making sure I can press it in there and it won't crease. My eyes love to crease.
So with this, I'm using a very, very light hand.
Alright, and then I'm just going to take this smaller fluffy brush and just kind of dip it in the loose powder.
And then I am gonna do the sides of my nose just because I love to, but just very, very lightly. And then just blend that out. Alright. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm not gonna bronze. Sorry, I'm gonna take my Clinique bronzer and do the outsides of my face just like I normally would. And I'm gonna take this Essence Pure Nude highlighter, and this highlighter doesn't do a whole lot, so I think it's good when you have a more natural look. You don't want something that's gonna be way too harsh. Alright, and I'm really gonna try to get it into like the contours of my cheeks so I can still kind of have dimension to my face, even though I'm not gonna be contouring. I'm just gonna blend that out a little, even though there's not too much there. And then, since I don't really have time to pull out another brush for my contour and everything, I'm just gonna dip the corner or the side of this brush, both sides, into the bronzer, and then I'm gonna just put that onto my nose. And now I'm just gonna do my eyebrows as normal, because I feel like those are pretty important to look good. Okay. Alright, and then some days when I'm doing this, I'll put on a little bit of a highlighter. I just take my normal Becca one. I literally just take the brush, pop it in there really fast, knock everything out, and just add a little something. Some days I just skip this step. I guess you could call what I do more of a no makeup look. Yeah, it looks like I don't really have on makeup. And then I just take a little bit of this banana powder under my eyes. I don't want to do my full brow routine because I feel like my big bold brow on such barely any makeup doesn't look that good. So I just take the Gimme Brow and #1 and I just put it through my brows to give them a little more color. And I'm just going to take like a medium brown color and put that in my crease. And that really just makes a difference, I feel like. I'm not doing this very precisely, I'm just kind of slapping it on there. And I'm just going to take this shimmery pinkish color and highlight with that. Alright. And now all I'm going to do is curl my eyelashes real quick. And then I'm just going to go in with the first step in this mascara. I don't know what happened to my eyelash curler. So, no, I will just do mascara. I actually don't always curl my eyelashes, like this morning I didn't.
I think my mascara is the only thing you can tell that I'm wearing makeup when I do this. I don't really mind that one. Alright, now I'm just gonna wipe off this banana powder. And I'm just gonna take my Pixie Brightening eyeliner, because again, you want to just keep everything bright and awake.
And I'm also taking a brightening eyeliner. It's not the same one, but they do the same thing.
And that is everything. I don't set it with any setting spray or anything like that, because I feel like there's not even a lot there, honestly.
Yep. I'm finished.
Me too. Alright guys, so that is our finished look. It probably took us like 10 to 12-ish minutes. But
yeah.
Honestly, on a normal day when I'm doing this before school, it really doesn't even take me 10 minutes. Just sitting here and explain it takes a little bit longer.
Yeah. It's like sometimes I had to wait for you to finish talking and stuff like that.
So it would really probably...
Y'all count the seconds, okay? I bet you it's 10.
Yeah. It'll probably be like it usually probably takes me about 8 minutes to do all this, because this really has been the look I've been going for the past couple days at school, because I've been sleeping until the last second.
So let us know if you choose the more natural look, or I'd say it's still natural but not as like no makeup at all.
Yeah.
So let us know which one you prefer and what videos you would like us to do.
And please subscribe to our channel and like this video, and we'll see y'all next time.
Bye.
Bye.